guys and girls, I'm happy to bring you the Raquel Welch Transformations top piece Style Forward in 16-inch. Style Forward is the straight sister to the Alpha Wave 16-inch. As you can see, the Alpha Wave comes out of the box in a wavy pattern, whereas the 16-inch Style Forward is straight. Like Alpha Wave, Style Forward is made with the Raquel Welch Wigs True to Life heat-friendly fiber. Style Forward is really perfect if you have fine hair or thinning hair at the top of your head. It provides coverage and great volume. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful topper. Style Forward 16 inches base measures 6 inches long by 6.5 inches wide. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pressure sensitive clips. The polyurethane rim can be secured to your hairline or forehead using double-sided tape or adhesive. The single layer monofilament top is 100% hand-tied and gives you unlimited parting options. It also gives the illusion of hair growing right out of your scalp. I've opened the pressure-sensitive clips so that I can try on Style Forward. Now obviously this topper color does not match my hair color. Ideally, you would purchase a topper that matches your hair color. But I wanted to show you the coverage that you get with Style Forward. So it's okay that it doesn't match my hair color. Let's put this on. Locking down our pressure sensitive clips in place. I love how quick and easy it is to put on this topper. Oh, it's so beautiful. All right. Style Forward 16-inch does not have a lace front. This is what the hairline of the topper looks like. Now, ideally, you would wear this topper behind your hairline and allow your own natural hairline to show. Because you have this full monofilament top, you can change the part. Here it is parted in the center. Let's part it to the left and see what it looks like. Now, because this is heat-defiant fiber, if the fibers will not lay down in the direction that you need them to, you can always use heat tools up to 350 degrees to set the part. Here it is, parted to the left. Let's part this to the right. I love how soft the hair feels. Very silky and soft. Here is Style Forward, parted to the right. And take a look at this excellent parting space. Very generous, and it looks as though the hair is growing right out of your scalp. Let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. Look at the coverage that you get with Style Forward. Very generous fibers. Right side. Style Forward's measurements are 14.25 inches long here at the front. The sides are 16.25 inches long, as is the crown and the back. Now the weight is 3.9 ounces. That tells you all of the generous coverage and density that you get with this style. Now let's talk about the color. I am wearing Style Forward 16-inch and RL 1621SS, Shaded Sand. This is a blend of dark ash blonde and pale sandy blonde with light honey blonde highlights, heaviest at the top. And it has medium brown roots. Well, let's take a look at this gorgeous color outside in natural light. While you can wear Style Forward 16-inch right out of the box, it would be nice to take this top piece to your stylist to have them blend it with your hair. If your hair is layered, or perhaps you need this trimmed a little bit, a stylist can customize this top piece for you so that it blends perfectly. Now, along with parting options, you can also style forward in a ponytail. You just pull back the length and secure it with a hairband. Quick and easy, and it looks fantastic. Just a very pretty, quick alternative style. Now you can also take a hair clip such as this, give the length a twist, and secure it in a quick updo. And because you have all this length, you certainly could braid this topper and make it into a beautiful, more intricate updo. The style looks very pretty tucked behind the ear. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Style Forward 16-inch, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. They carry this style in all of the beautiful, true-to-life Raquel Welch wigs colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now, when you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear Style Forward 16-inch, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.